Abotira kuwa na medeko. Mensa mechio menimukua. Esore beba, amani beba. Sunini na chino suma baba. Baby say no na baby yeah. Atamfuni basari suno shaking. Kawani musa. Mensa wachi. Koko. Mensa wachi. Koko. Mensa wachi. Baby say no na baby yeah. Atamfuni basari suno shaking. Kawani musa. Mensa wachi. Koko. Mensa wachi. Koko. Mensa wachi. You will come over before them come on and casano. Before come on, see a jam to the new track. Trend is here. Abotira nkwa is trending. You have to jam to it right now before the version sakasa. Let's go once again. Okay, let's go. Unu mtu anwa tuodi mechiwa. Unu mtu anwa tuodi mechi. Namishamuna. Beyou comedy to the world. Say, abotira nkwa. Mensa machio menimukwa. Esore baba, amani baba. Sunini na chino suma baba. Baby say no na baby yeah. Atamfuni basari suno shaking. Kawani musa. Mensa wachi. Koko. Mensa wachi. Koko. Mensa wachi. And to be you yeah. I'm for you. Don't be stopped. And to be you yeah. I'm for you. And to be you yeah. I'm for you. Don't be stopped. And to be you yeah. I'm for you. Yo many mukwa, it's all baba, amani baba, sunini na chino suma baba, baby say no na baby. for the best, sorry, so no shaking. Come on, you must. The facial expression is for you. Adia Pena Queen. The facial expression is for you. Big ups to you guys. And you guys in there, Abotere Nkuwa today. Abotere Nkuwa na medeko. Mensa mechiyo meni Nkuwa. Nzo beba, amani beba. Ninyi na chino so yampaba. Baby say no, na baby ye. Otamfo ne be sorry so no shaking. Koni musa. Mensa wachi koko. Okay, that's just Abotere Nkuwa. Maybe so person download the track now. Call Google, search Google now about Beyou featuring one-time playman Esikukuti. The title is Abotere Nkuwa. Maybe unya enyomuna na why day. Why you snap with the music? Why you snap no with the song? Now I send it Amas number 0551 973717. Watching Abotere Nkuwa no social media. Or they search Abotere Nkuwa Beyou featuring one-time playman and Esikukuti Abotere Nkuwa. We are fire TikTok video. Never send this number 0551 973717. What send them mana Mensabeka. Then I post here to social media platforms. Big ups to you guys. Let's come to the main business. It's been a long time. Coming live with our wonderful fans like this. And then Friday, tomorrow only this time one time Prima co school, Esikukuti co school, Kwame co school, and our friends on Koku from Bonza they go school. So I'm here alone, but their spirit is with me right now. Yeah, it is the bit my can say as that Nkoma your wonderful fans. Or support you from day one till now. What do you achieve from day one till now? Nyame unshamo na ontomo kwanem. Enya mu aka ye nu baby ye do no. Your views, your shares, your comments, especially comment not keeps us moving on. So the video you can one share comment my corner. It motivates us to do more. Yeah, it motivates us to do more. And you better munyina ma say maso one time prima in Esikukuti mu just once. God bless you guys. Cause without you guys no. Felicia, hello, how are you doing? David, hello, I see you. Beatrice, much love, dear. We haven't reached where we are right now, so God bless you so much for the kind of support. And I think so no yentima beda Esikukuti no yentima beda your wonderful fans say mon fanche me ejajuma na bobo yesikaka and one year juma so I think happiness for you guys no below. So didn't you keep you along near year juma dia mama said be ya mo sha money be dey money bed change Abotere Nkuwa tinyamisha munyina for the love you guys showed towards Esikukuti's birthday, you know. Name unshamo pa yentima madam say your wishes, your gifts, a whole lot of things are modebre Esikukuti, you know. Name onko so no day na unshuramo. And I think so that nyum na me bono Abotere Nkuwa no video ni nyama abontin. Hello Emily, how are you doing? Queen Osei, the love is always deep, bro. Big up to you, Quincy, I see you. Joyce Brown, God bless you and your team. Keep working hard. I'm mentioning shout for always supporting us. Keep it up, thank you. Keep it on, guys. The kids are good. We love them watching you from Holland. Big ups to you, Mr. Charles Signal. Big ups to you, Issa Ghana. God bless you, Beyou. God bless you too. Big ups to you. One time play man. Unya tike dibi. Necha wanum no one shatter. Yeah. One time play man. Unya tike dibi. Necha wanum no one shatter. Esikokoti also crowds. Beyou comedy to the whole world. Kwame Eugene also say yeah bema one sere. Beyou comedy to the whole world. Yeah bema when niaje. But oba no share. Honestly, Beyou, God bless you. You have worked hard. Namisha Richard Bona, I see you. Rose Frema, Beyou comedy to the we. I say big up to you guys. The love is deep. Johnson, I see you. Beyou, I'm a big fan of you. Mention my name. Oh, now Isaka, I see you, bro. Nasco one, big ups, Beyou, God bless you. More and more good works. I'm watching you live. Big ups to you. Osei Mensa, I see you. God bless you. Ahmed Asana, I see you. One love. One love for Issy. Please, why don't you come live on TikTok? And I'll come live on TikTok tomorrow. I'll come live on TikTok tomorrow. So our TikTok fans will watch out for us. I say I don't know how their network is on TikTok. Anytime we are not connection or other let's say it's yellow. So I have very poor. See you, Charlie. So Beyou comedy with good works. God bless you abundantly. Rika, I see you. I love Mexico Kuti, watching you from Italy. Urban Senior TV, big ups, I see you. Watching you live from Saudi Arabia. Okay. Hello. Beyou, I like you so much. I like you too. Ma Felicia, I like you so much. Okay, let's go again. I will try last one. Okay. Beyou comedy to the world. See, I will tell you what I don't share why. Okay, before I say to us, let me patch out. Say, oh, here live, now say, oh, outside. Now, if you want to show love to Beyou comedy, I say, oh, share, no, $1 $sign be that chat, now say, live chat, now say, $sign be that. If you want to donate, and also you have to, if you want to help us, if you want to send something to the Beyou comedy team, I want to $sign be that chat, now say, I want to chat, we need down, $sign be that, me patch out, oh, boss, any I help us help Beyou comedy. And bit my day, I help you. I mean to our fans outside, I'm best maybe I'm get in contact to support Beyou comedy. No, the $sign is on the live video. You know, bosswa. Now what follow steps no for us. I'm Shamina. Steven, I'm Koba watching you live from Medina Beyou. I see you. Majwa, how you doing? Much love, Majwa. AC. I'm watching you live from Dubai. I love you so much. Beyou, one time play man and AC. God bless you, fire. Keep the fire burning. God bless you too. Kumi Raphael. Hey, Kumi, I see you. Richard, I see you. Big up to you, bro. More of him. Pode ir assim. Sabe, you think? Yeah, Me also be two blow for us, be two blow for one side. Say, man, dodgy, I got the bomb. Also, blue on my account. With you, Uganda. No, are you running? So, Papa, uppercut, defend uppercut. You comedy to the world. Mary Chita, hey, Mary, Messi, I see you. Long time. I invite you to Church of Christ, one of them. I said, Kusia, from Puma, Papa B. I said, Beyou, I invite you to Church of Christ, any one of them. Good song. I'm sure. Thank you very much for that. I'm happy you're happy. Bless up. Akusia, I see you. I love this song. Timbacho number ni anyomo no. Upa sa download the track na. Title na ya abotre nko until you call Google and no search Beyou featuring one time Piliman Esikokoti. The title na ya abotre nko say wotwi wi a na why snap with the music. Number so that sending number we 0551 973 717 0551 973 717. Say ochen nyum ni wie na oye live no ana oye o snap no with the music we abotren kwan nyum ni wie a fa send the number na my boss mabatu jan 0551 973 717. But your boss will be and all the send money we are mensa beka. We will post it on our social media handles. Na ya chair say or donna mo and we appreciate it. Yeah, I mean Shamupa. God bless you so much. Be comedy to the world. And the music videos will be also on Saturday. Abochenkwa music video will be also on Saturday. Location here, Ashtown. SD for so down one. Ashtown. SD for so down pepe. I wanna Beyou comedy. You will try Abochenkwa music video no. I mean Shamu. Joyce, I love you or I love AC too much. God bless you, Joyce. Much love. Okay, until now, open so join here. Na music video na. One time play my beba. Esikokoti beba. Koku Frempong beba. Kwame Eugene so beba. The whole team is coming to Ashtown to shoot the music video of Abotre and Kwa. Timbacha mu nyamo ba. With our support, no problem. We take pictures with you guys. God bless you so much. So let's go to this track. Am I ready? Okay. What's yes? You trust why and go. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Music production. This track is from Beyou featuring Bomisoki. The title is Benzo in Tinenko. We fight for people. Boys in the sun, we fight for money. Boys about time, I put my I dey fight for paper, city and then dollar. Grandma, see you, grandma comfort. It's A for apple, B for Benzo. You can see God time and I miss so much in Benzo. A for apple, B for Benzo. You can see God time and I miss so much in Benzo. A for Yabani said, "Low man, I whine a commando. It's just on empire, say whine a controller. Basic time, and I miss so much in me. I dey pray for money, I dey search for money every day and night. Oh, I dey search for paper. This year me go pay, I miss so much in me benzo. I know na me boy, me I miss so much in me. 1, 2, A for B for benzo. Basic time, and I miss so much in me benzo. A for B for benzo. Basic time, and I miss so much in me benzo. A for B for benzo. Basic time, and I miss so much in me benzo. Whoa, who that? Wanna tell me here, dear, so come near me. I'll be more than tear gas. Man, don't tell me, huh? I'm here by Matthias 7 death, now me tell no mesa. Me them like these, we them on the street. That boy at the house, me that the hey, streetness, yeah, more than Judas, die you play. Hey, Gada, yeah, you want to down, you think say streetness, yeah, you play. Hey, go street, I go good from Bonso, I diabo so. You want to street, so what's not a joke. Be my left from your father, so. Hey, Wongo, Christmas bang and a muso. See, I so holy beats like a can up, but so kin soup, me so okay, but my comment you also me post and reply like Beyou, why don't you bring Koku from Point and Kwame Eugene? Koku from Point and Kwame Eugene are there. They are shooting videos, it's coming. Koku from Point and Kwame Eugene, they are in the team. Omuni be biako. But on say Ejuma it's all about a strategy. Ejuma you want to see how it's all about strategy. Obian in the field, so they are blending up their field and coming stronger. Even this week, I'll drop a video containing Koku Frimpong and also Esikokuti. And on Sunday, I'll drop a video which featured Kwame Eugene, Esikokuti, and Koku Frimpong. So we blended them together. It's all about let's say consistency and also great content and storyline benefits you more in your demo more sanity. So big up to you. Thank you very much for this kind of question, Abusa. And you enjoy your day. I mean, Shamapa. Wow, I love you so much. Agnes, I see you. Big up to you. Let's go. Skywalker Entertainment. Beyou, I see you, bro. It's always here to be back again. Network never bad. I need a control. Basic time and I'm so much me best. I did pray for money. I did search for money every day and night. Oh, I did search for paper. This year me coffee and I'm so much me best. I know you're me poor man. I'm so much me best. T.A. for B for Bendo. Basic time and I'm so much me best. Okay, let's go and reply some messages here. Colin Chineboa Beyou, I watch you live from Casapenya half region. Big ups to you, Collins. Much love. Matilda, happy birthday. Hi Beyou, watching you live from Dubai. No shaking. Matilda Safo, big ups to you. Much love. Why is Esikokuti one time prima? Me pacho omoko school and Thursday in Jomede omoko school. Belinda do we say Beyou, big ups. Working and watching you at the same time, USA. Much love, much love. Lady Dinah, Edu, New York, saying hello to you all. Namisha, and I Edu, big ups to you guys. Adia Pena Queen, I enjoy all your music. I'm in love with them all. Continue doing anything. Your turn. I'm watching you live. God bless you so much. Isaac Sakodi, I see you. David 09, I see you. I'm watching you live from USA. Any question you want to ask me, I'm here to answer you guys. Yeah, let's talk, let's vibe. I am YouTube until connect a fan nanka you can ask me any question, I'll answer you. Yo, my bro Rexford from Kokobeng Agenda Kudipa joining my life, man. My boss wants to meet you. Yo, bro. After this live, I'll call you. Mefro after live. Mefro is here. Me live now. Mefro now. You're planning on that. Namin Sharp. Much love, bro. Namin Sharp for the support. Ma Felicia, I always watch you live from Dubai. I love you and your kids. Namin Sharp, Beyou, no size. Shadrach, I see you. No size, Beyou comedy. Please, I'm packing from Dubai. Please do me a favor. Can you take Azuma, please? I'm sorry. Let's ask a different question. Hello, thank you for making us laugh always. May God bless you. God bless you too. My name is Sato from Tamale. Okay, want to support you and request for your number on YouTube, but you didn't reply. I'm sorry. Dinah, Mr. Dinah. I'm sorry. YouTube is off. Like, it's a public way for all our fans, and you know how our work is. Sometimes on the number 2 number, people just call to you a friend what they did wrong, even though he's a fan, all right. But this is the number. Meet me there, mama. You contact him, you get directly to me. Now, I'm in common. It's the number here 0551 973717. 0551 0551 973717. Until chatting number now, you can get in contact with Beyou. Thank you very much. I'm watching you live from United Kingdom. Thank you very much. We're hoping one day Beyou Comedy will be around the world. So one day Beyou with a team, not all the team corner. Beyou with one of the artists outside to shoot some comedies. Nyametiase. They all can't obey. So so our fans out there now, you can get in contact with us now. You can buy with us now. We are praying one day you will come over. So you meet all our fans outside. I'm sure please it's possible for me to join your team. About official is possible. You can come using a girlfriend bonus around mucha videos but just a media strategy. The videos are coming this week, so watch out. Thank you very much. Esther, I see you. How are you doing? Please let me ask you a small question. Okay, Dusu Hussein, Coco Frimpon is there. Her videos are coming. His videos are coming. Even Ambua on Sunday, me drop a Coco Frimpon video. Me drop any video featuring Esikokuti. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, Francis Opoku. Thank you very much from US. I see you. How is my sister? How also acts very well. Okay, thank you very much. As I'm here, live boy. Try me best, please repeat the number again. Sister Dinah, the number is 0551. Bajambao. Boy, come and say hi to them. Say hi to the fans. For Fussy. Mr. Richard. Richard.
Hello, fans. Beyou Comedy.
See the award. Boy, that way. Many posts are going to you know. Okay. I'm sure. I'll bet you my dear. Oh yeah. Oh, come to me. I'll bet you my dear. I'm sure. Boy, no problem. Okay, so keep it up. Your videos are very nice. Thank you very much for the support. Mr. Dinah, the number is 0551 973717. 0551 973717. It is our number now. Crona also send them more video na faso. So let's go back to Abochenkwa. Okay. Beyou Comedy to the world. See, Abochenkwa. Baby say no, baby. But I'm full of sorry, so no shaking. I want him to Yo, call us Anchor Comedy. I see. Call us Anchor Comedy. I'm Yo, Power GH, I see you. Joshua Kumsen, I see you. I'm watching live from Qatar. So now share for Facebook, now share for WhatsApp. So the our fans on Facebook with my I should be on my way. Let me show you. So you can download Abochenkwa, also check Google, and you just fill up the bar like Beyou featuring one time playman and AC Kukuti Abochenkwa. With my day, I download it. Download it via fire snap to Nyoman Young's own to to see my to see we are for no Sunday sa number 0551 973 717 0551 973 717. Your humility is what attracts me. You never change, and please stay closer to God and everything yearning for past. God bless you for your close. Nine, I do big ups to you. Thank you very much. Sorry, the number again. David, the number is 0551 973 717 0551 973 717. I mean, shout. Okay, sorry, Beyou comedy to the world. I want to ask this: a very possible your t-shirt now, yes, you know. Beyou comedy t-shirt now, yes, you know. Yeah, our fans outside now, people are demanding for it. People are demanding. Let me shout, Slay Queen. Wow. Let me shout, Slay Queen for this donation. Let me shout. Keep it up. I see you. Let me shout, Slay Queen. God bless you so much. God bless you. Slay Queen, I donate my. Let me shout. Some person boy outsider said that you know, if you want to send something, not only you need in Kitangubia now, person send it Maya. Or you can watch through the live and no say $sign be the honor. There's a $sign be at the Oboswa. Any help I was happy Beyou comedy be ano. Ubet me a day at the first one my as live in the cost no most live national. There's a $sign be the and a money sign be the honor. Oboswa to our fans out there. To our fans are more outside, I'm more person more donate and I'm person more boy and I'm more sending baby my keke with my fast acquaintance so that I did first so I'm shout when you're done here. Big ups to you guys. I could see Dubai watching you live from Japan. Much love. I go see much love. And the t-shirt no any account wants them. If the t-shirt now yeah no say if I say we must say our fans outside no money Jehon say ye ton be mama outside. Why don't I see Kwame Eugene and Coco Frimpon? Kwame Eugene and Coco Frimpon is here. I'm around for mucha videos and their videos are coming. It's just a media strategy. It's a media strategy thing you are doing. Yeah. You're Sapon from Belgium. Much love. Timbacho t-shirt no. If you guys are interested, but your mommy who the comments if you are more interested, say t-shirt na ya na mo pese ya deba outsider. Ya deba outside and as if you turn view our YouTube page now you donate mama and as you deliver more outside mama you now you juma I'll be you comedy t-shirts I mean shamu na Slave Queen I see you Slave Queen this too is for AC and one time by Calipo. Okay, Slave Queen I see you. I say Slave Queen thank you. Wow, another one. Slave Queen God bless you. Slave Queen say there was a donation me fanto Calipo Emma one time play man and our friends so no esikokoti nyame sure until Slave Queen donate two times that is 5 right 2 yeah nyame unshow Slave Queen God bless you so much me pacha wow outsider opese u donate no and I say opese obuwa Beyou comedy team no ebia oni enya nkita ho bia no this is the time under the live now bones there is a $sign be down. It's a money symbol. Say oboswa na why they what push any amount be able to push ma Beyou comedy team. Na months niko we are they are sorting young crowd to buy something good for them. Yeah. Thank you very much. And don't forget to keep watching our videos. Let's not forget to keep watching our videos. Stella Adolfo, paper just our Ghana there. I think it's any possible there. But so outside Ghana. Now over life now bones there's a $sign, a sticker sign be down ma oboswa. Now what you see any of our person there nowadays. It's only not in Ghana, but only our outsiders are more. I think it's on a YouTube for here. Because here Ghana for the we get access to ourselves, but our outsiders now among get access to us. You can watch it. So the t-shirt too. No, why are you interested for the t-shirt? No, so no, wear now. If you guys are interested, see and ton t-shirt be Ambra outsider. Mama, you who comments no now. Seller UK, okay. UK, maybe I shall say honum, so chat nasia live na you say super chat, if any super chat, Stella, sister Stella, if any super chat to boss super chat so you get access to it now. You anything you want to help Beyou Comedy, you do it. Thank you very much. Watching live from USA. Greetings from here to you guys. Edward Asamwa Naminshaw. Abochan kwa na yadeko. Menza mechi yo meni mkuwa. Nzowe beba. Amani ya beba. Ninyi nechi nonzo mampaba. Okay. Ayot. Hey, money. Boy, me sad. You what tell me? I just pray every day for money. Nothing really gets to me, they move on. My family didn't me brace it. Come my ashes, so they be a me water. 24/7, daddy, me see me walk home. I was you can't see me down. Love you, I do every day. Money. Okay, Upukamwako, I see you. I love this song. Yes, but all the minutes are not for the Jamiako. I said, Joe Nyamie, Nihia Sika, Beyou Fuching Bomisoki, my prayer. Okay, let's go. Yeah, money. For me, son. You what tell me? I just pray every day for money. Nothing really gets to me, they move on. I was again to me down. Now be my own, I pray every day. Money, I want to see a Joe, me a Sika. Now be my own, I pray every day. A Joe, me a Siko. Now be my own, I pray every day. A Joe, me a Sika. Now be my own, every day. I'll go before video. I'll be probably better up in number Sunday, so watch out. Monday to Friday on time, Saturday, Sunday, so daddy here on church. When we go to shop for Yami, what's a mania? Yami, Yasika, Yami, Yasika. Now you are, I pray every day. Yami, Yasiko. I pray every day. I pray every day. See boy, me a don't check robot. Me need don't me money. Me a no noise. Mr. Landing beat. Okay, Brian, man, check him. Why? Obia comment was say I want to donate, but features isn't available. Elisha Otu, but all country bay. And I think so. If say you want to help, and I say give something to Beyou Comedy team. Only outsider. This is the number 0551 973 717. 0551 973 717. 0551 973 717. So if say you are in Ghana and you want to show some love to Beyou Comedy, you can contact and send to that number 0551 973 717. Yes, sir. Wow. Let me shout. Oheneba Nanaya, God bless you so much. Oheneba Nanaya, God bless you so much. $10, God bless you. Big ups to you. Much love. Nami own shout. Oheneba Nanaya, Nami shout. God bless you so much. God bless you so much for the kind of love you have for Beyou Comedy. Nami shout. I'm even short of voice. The love is deep. The love is deep out there. The love is deep out there. The love is deep out there. Let's support Beyou Comedy. Next video, next song there I will show you. Open some Bible mami. Let me see your hands up. Let me see your hands up. Open some Bible let me see your hands up. Na medeko. But open some Bible mami. Fans more heaven. Na yadeko. Hey, yansa yachiyo yani Mungu nsawo ya beba. Emmanuel. Momo name is Emmanuel. Yeah. Emmanuel, please. The love is deep. God bless you so much. Thank you very much. Love GATV. Much love. Oheneba Nanaya Namisha. Slave Queen Namisha. For the love you guys have shown. Slave Queen Namisha. Oheneba Nanaya Namisha. Big up to you guys. Say the American. If you're outside, you want to show some love to Beyou comedy team and crying, there's a super chat under the chat. Super chat be there with some $sign and euro sign be there. If you click on it, the kind of support about support no a show na right now no Nanaya Nanaya has shown love, and also Slave Queen have also shown love. So let's go. Abochiranku amafodi man de pa mayomba bo. Beyou comedy to the world. Say, abochiranku. Mensa machio mani mukuma. Mesore beba, amani beba. Sunini nachino suma baba. Baby say no na baby yeah. What I'm funny besore suno sheki. Kawani musa. Mensa machi. I'm sorry, Richard. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Richard. I say I know so come I say we are very reply. Okay, Irasha. We see the moment. Okay, let's go. Momo name no is Emmanuel. Brahima, can you pin the number and also Momo name to all my fans new because they want to confirm some name. Brahima Imadek TV. If you are watching, pin the number and also the Momo name under it. Now let you know. So let's go. God bless you so much. But the name is Emmanuel, but the same name is the Emmanuel, yeah. But one time play my school. One time play my school, right? Much love to Spain for you now. Mom him Spain, I mean much love. My Spain fans, Beyou comedy fans are Spain. Much love. Big ups. Much love. Watching us from Israel. We love you guys. Please reply with the Momo name. Okay, it's coming up. Okay. Let's go. Be comedy to the world. Be comedy to the world. Be comedy to the world. Abochire nkuwa na yadeko. Ensa yachiyo yanimu nkuwa nzore beba amane ye beba. Ninyi na echi no nsoma mpaba. Baby say no na baby ye. Otamfoni best is no shaking. Kowani musa. Mensa wachi koko. Mensa wachi Uncle Beyou. The Momo name is Body Emmanuel. Body Emmanuel Body. Emmanuel Body. Emmanuel Body. Emmanuel Body. Yeah, let's go again. Emmanuel Body. Yeah. And Ibicha let's say music video now for Abochenko on this Saturday. I will Ashtown. Oh my God. Stella. Sister Stella Yamisha. God bless you. God bless you, Sister Stella. God bless you so much. Yamisha. For the kind of love you guys are showing to us. Yamisha. God bless you so much. Wow. Wow. Yamisha. So far, Gloria. Much love, Sister Gloria. Much love, Sister Gloria. Much love. Much love, Sister Gloria. Much love. Slay Queen. Ohene Bananaya. Sister Gloria. Sister Stella. Much love. God bless you so much. God. Chop love. Sister Stella. Ohene Bananaya. Slay Queen. Gloria, chop kiss, Gloria. Okay, be comedy to the world again. Be comedy, so if you're out there, you're outside, and you want to show support to Be Comedy, there's a super chat there. You get in contact with us. Any amount there you can send to us. God bless you so much. Abochire nkuwa na yadeko. Yensa yachiyo yanimkuwa. Nzore beba. Amane ye beba. Ninyi na echi no so yampaba. Baby say no na baby ye. Otamfoni basori no shaking. So enim sang. Much love. So on Saturday said I make on Obi Shire Ashtown SD for Sorry exactly 9:30 a.m. near Shas here. Exactly 9:30 a.m. near Shas here. So to our fans out there, so once the super chat video here, so Spain, UK, USA, baby, now when we say there's a super chat under it, you click on the super chat. Now the love will show my you show us that love. Yeah, I'm sure because I'm out for the yeah, our fans out there in my ears, I don't know. Say how do we help when you are alive? How do we help? Say we are intimate, get in contact with you guys and this the process about their boy. So it is there, the super chat is there. Right now, Sister Stella, Sister Gloria, and also Slay Queen and Ohene Bananaya have shown us some love. Much love. God bless you so much. God bless you. Okay. We will continue with relationship again because I'm sorry. Owusu Precious. Much love. Thank you. Don't go, please. Thank you very much. Let's go.
You coming into the world. See, I want you to
me any question. You can ask me any question. I'm here to answer you guys. You can ask me any question. Thank you. Okay. Salaoma, God bless you. Ma Etikokoti, who's a crowd, sir? Ma Lizzie, much love. You comedy, I'm watching you. Why? Love GH, I see you. Love GH, I see you. Bro, I said I will get the contacts. You guys invited me. Okay. I'm coming. Okay. Richard Fojo, I'm coming. Let me just get ready for you. Richard, bro, I said I'll get contacts with your team and send you guys invite to Dubai. Namisha, okay. The number is 0551. Richard Fojo. 0551 973 717. Beyou, you want to come to Dubai again or what? Please, why do you ask? Why do you ask? Oh yeah, why not? If you get an invite, in Dubai, say I'm not Dubai for a visit at Dubai. If the invite comes for us, for the team, you will come. Why not? Yeah, you will come. You comedy to the world now. I think it's a fair night here. I'll spread it more. Yeah. God bless you guys. Watching you live from UK dancing skills. Watching you live from UK. Sorry, Jared, I see you. So if you want to come and you want to invite us to everywhere you are, like Sebia, Dubai, any place across the country, you want to invite the team, why not? You will come. You will come. You will come. You will come. Yeah. Okay. I'll donate later. I'm at work. Don't have my card on me. Big Sasso, God bless you so much. How are you doing? We're waiting. Yeah. My sister here. Big ups to you. Big ups to you. I'm watching you live from Hamburg. Watching you live from UK Leeds. Much love, Felicia Lamte. Watching you live from UK Leeds. Much love. Okay. And what again? Love you so much. Lydia, we love you too. We love you too. Okay. Please, where is AC? AC one time prima moko school. Go from Ponko school. Big up to Abochan be nice song. I really like the song. Beyou comedy to the world. Now we shout. The number again. Gloria Asino. Okay. Okay, so let's go. 0551 973 717. 0551 973 717. Yeah. Bro, Abuchenko is nice song. Please, where is your girls? My girls are at school. God bless you so much. I'll invite you guys for my wedding. Emmanuel Danson, you are always welcome. You can call us anytime. You can invite us anytime. My biggest fan is here, Nancy. Love you guys. Love you too, Nancy. Okay, mention Ancestor. Ancestor, I see you. God bless you and your team. Amen. Asari Gerard. Amen. 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 When you end up, Slay Queen has said, Sister Gloria has said, Stella and Swase, and our friends so no, and he never my answer was for the support. You say hello. Hello, Mary. How are you doing? Much love. Beyou comedy to the world. Getting to one now. Oh, you can ask me any question, okay? You can ask me any question before I say Beko. When is your wedding? Gloria Asho, Asino, or Asino. My wedding. Nyame boy, bompire. Remember the brepa. I'm very sure. Watching you live from USA. Felicia, much love. God bless you so much for joining us. Watching you from USA. I see you. So across social media, I know about Abochenkwa, Beyou featuring one time play man and Esikukuti. Unya boa, Ubenya, se unya nyom no snow tria. Now I snap at the idea. I send the number 0551 973 717. Na ya posti ama. Oh, dear Sarah, watching live from Egypt. Much love, dear Sarah. Let me show. Hello, that girl.
You comedy to the world.
Abochira nkwa. Okay, you're entering the t-shirt, father of all children. Okay. Macho Lisa out you, Macho oh Ghana and also country by. Thank you very much, Jamal Belinda, for the love. Keep watching Beyou Comedy. The Urban Dawson. And let me tell you a secret about us. The day balance here, we are bringing a new series. Yes, our series are Eba. Now it's Samaya. Featuring one time playmat. Beyou, do you know? You don't know. Let me say. Me haha million. It's not massive no. Okay. Metrics Focus Media. Metrics Focus Media GH. I see you, bro. Me home for 24/7. Hala of Akene Auntie Dorian Mame. Catch them say I love them so much. Auntie Dorian Comedy. You want subscribe more. Metrics Focus Media. I'm on subscribing. Big ups to you guys. Big ups for joining. Yeah. So we'll be bringing a new series. We'll be working on a new series very soon. The story is already set. Akase Nambamia Hodene Nkwa. So we are the series Eba. You in comedy. Series no Eba live and college. Yeah, Eba so 24/7. But you the trash. Okay. You too. Much love. Series no is featuring Esiko Kuti, one time pre-man, Koko Frempon, and Kwame Eugene. I remember Enche. You enjoy comedy in Kwan. That's our motive. And our friends, Name Boansua, yeah, Bompire. Say, acting school for children, so no, will be established in Ghana. The network is very bad, network Nenya, very basa. I can't wait for this series. Watch out. Okay, the number is 0551 973 717. But your number, but you get in contact with the team. Yes, my number, but you get in contact with the team. If anything, you contact them. That's so better. 0551 973 717. 0551 973 717. Yeah, the series is coming very soon. Watch out. You can't hear. Hello, Baja Motimenka. Baja Motimekasa. Because I'm for someone to make us. Baja Motimekasa, mommy who's a Motimekasa. Why? This appearance of the app. This series is going to be more. Yeah. Appearance. I see you. Kudos to you. Much. Network is very bad. We have some minutes to go. She said, "I'm kind. Wow, I joining here." And I said, "Oh, outside. Well, outside the country now, I say you, let's say, support Beyou Comedy, but you share live on us here. You see, there's the super chat there, super chat video on over super chat. There's a dollar sign. Any support or support here, you can support us. God bless you so much. Yeah, please some of your wishes and drop them in the comments. Okay, very soon, no problem. Yeah, thank you very much for the advice. Live living Kumasi Brema UGC. How can you be sad when Beyou Comedy is live? Okay, my mama sakit to me and go. Asana mumbu pasa bago. You know what I love about you. Thank you very much. Obisi me you know. No. Okay. Don't know where you die, you say feel but to me. Don't know where you die, you say feel but to me. We dey on the street every day, we dey fight for paper. Boys in the time, we dey fight for money.
Boys about down, I'm a kuma, shit. I don't fight for paper, city and $10. Boys about down, I'm a kuma, shit. A for apple, B for benzo. Because you can't die, man, I'm so making me benzo. A for apple, B for benzo. Because you can't die, man, I'm so making me benzo. A for apple, B for
Okay, I'm a son. Okay, I'm a son. God bless you so much. I'm a son. I'm in shop. After that, chatting nipa no. Chat the number. Chat the number on WhatsApp, and I'll get in contact with you after the live. I'm in shop. Every day and night, oh, I dey search for paper. Sorry. Error kakra. We had an error, Kakra. We are back. Yeah. We had an error. Get to from our network. So I'm back again. Oh, I'm back again. Choo. The young girls in school. Next year, my papa. My I don't know. We did. Man, cramo. And I'm a call. I'm fan cheme. But my airlines have a phone that do tom. My charger I'm the power bank is soon. Because of you guys, I'm here again. So the power bank anymore. This is the power bank. Or say my charger I'm not casa because man cram in a good way. Or say my cram in a sexy and a natural way before say meko. But still na me nyanko. Keep the comments coming. Okay. Yeah, for me pa network ninja, but my phone is off kakra, you know. Mo vanche me. Or say me cram and sana mako. Yeah. After this live, we are. May say call live on TikTok. May God continue to bless you and your team. My 4-year-old has learned a lot from you guys, dancing, etc. I love to see you guys whenever I come to Ghana. Network ninja very bad. And why, you know, things that my cram. Now me person me here. I wanted to entertain you guys for 2 hours. But I think network no favor. Network no favor. I'm why. Forsika, much love. Yeah, you can help too. You can support us too through the chat, through the live chat. Oboswa, live chat. You see, there's a super chat with our Oboswa. The amount, anything about support Beyou comedy beyond. Which my after so the idea support here. But network never bad, you know. You be jam enche. But before that, no, I'll say you didn't come back and say Amen. And no one said they made that make an or download no Google search Beyou featuring one time play man and Isiko Koti. The title is Abuchi and Shout. My first so Emma, a big shout out to all our wonderful fans across the world. You guys have been with us from day one till now. Nyame wonshiramo to our fans. I'm Moshe Beyou comedy. Moshe na mo commente. Nyame shiramo from day one till now. Oda mo nyama no anu den. You be brother. It's me from Australia. Yes, because my idea, Nyame shiramo. But the money namase, and I feel no our outside fans no Moshe no Nyame shiramo pa. Nyame shiramo. Nyame Oshamo say more support Beyou comedy, more share na more share videos. God bless you. And this time our Ghanaian fans also no Nyame shiramo yentimi konjam ho. Cause if you Ghana sana ko honom without your prayers no ain't possible. Without your support and your views no ain't possible. So let me mention for second way so I wish you can give us Atopa dance. Atopa dance need remember. Mamba kumba wa Atopa dance mba. Yebo Atopa dance ba kwa sama kwa America na simi answer. And I think so no I can't wait to meet you and they see. Oh yeah. You meet us very soon. So Kokobi niggas so Nyame shiramo. That's where I was born and raised. Nyame Kokobi for I'm support Beyou comedy. And Mama Mavis, Nyame shiramo. Ma Felicia, Nyame shiramo. Ma Juliana, God bless you so much. Dylan, Sister Linda, Dylan Entertainment, Dylan Real Life, Dylan on Facebook. Nyame Unshao. God bless you so much. Dylan. God bless Mama Mavis. God bless Ma Felicia. God bless you. God bless Ma Letitia. Ma Letitia Danson. Nyame Unshao. Papa. Nyame Unshao. Ma Bena Holland. Nyame Unshao. Mintimi Modi Nina. Ma Bena Holland. Nyame Unshao. She said our fans, Daddy Yao. Namin Shao, our fans out there, across the world, Namin Shao will be a ding, but Madame say, near or down Monyama be comedy need, and what they are more tired, the kind of comment, the kind of motivation, what they are maybe you. Namin Shao, uncle's no on domo, but I won't keep it on what be you comedy, Miss Shamo, Mamunya be comedy shed that. On a pie a day band also, and not forgetting to say, and Crown Mudi, we have four kids at the same time, one man standing. Yes, I'm the same person, I'm managing them all, but without your views and but I want to make without your views and your help, no, without your views, I'm not share my any share, no, can't into me and do baby, and I say into me in Shan Crown, but mon don't we and I'm boy and I'm share videos made the behind. You comedy story to the world. You tell him last hour and yanko at Abotianqua last hour, Abotianqua.
Do you comedy to the world? See, Abotianqua.
Yeah, when you put your mom will join me first. No, come here, live now. Come on, say, mini baby bar, me have a chair, but you're doing a better me. Now, me, I feel like me be of a chair panel. Namishan, evacuating. After Beyou. Shamo. Yeah. Yeah. God bless you so much for joining us. And those who supported us live here, no. Name Insha Mo. Slay Queen. Hey, Haza. Hey, say on here me Canada there. Yeah, Anti-Darren Comedy. I see you. Anti-Darren Comedy, my home or life. I mean Shamo. Mon subscribe my Anti-Darren what it. I can't know talent. You got talent or talent. Most supporting Anti-Darren or talent. Subscribe. You're supporting Crack on Button. Subscribe to Anti-Darren Comedy. Subscribe to Kululu Comedy. Ha! Be comedy to the world. Okay. Hazard, we need you in Canada. If I told me invite you there, in Cape Badoo. With me invite you there, Cape Badoo. Be you comedy to the world, no can. World nation. I feel and I go on Beyou Mojima. Be you comedy to the world. Sa world nation. And Beyou Mojima, I actually invite never. There's your baby. Niaba. Niaba comedy. Nia Saba. Hey, Namisha, money I've jumpa. You need me in Canada, you come very soon. Anti-Darren I've joined. Anti-Darren. Nasa live, babe. Much love. Namisha. Abena da pass of Beyou, we love you, sir. Hey, please come to UK. Minyanka meba, nasu mini to me nina. Wo your fans so more so. Mo pese yeba, mama ye invite. Hey, mo pese yeba. Hey, mama ye invite. Ebe bado. Ebe bado. Canada for. Hey, UK for, hey, US for, hey, China for, hey, Japan for, hey, Australia for, Upezayaba, Muma invite, everybody, Upezayaba, Muma invite, everybody. I am by force. Where is one time? One time the Marco school. Alright, dear, we see what to do. So, let me give you the number 0551 731 711. Hazard, please. The number I'm the amount. He said if anything pop up now, per se, The common only made this year, no, possible. Number no Hazard. I'll come to Ghana in December. Okay, Hazard, the number is 0551 731 717. 0551 731 717. Okay, I'll come to Ghana in December. Okay, waiting for you. Much love. My 4-year-old girl is loving from your kid. Continue your good works. Big ups. I'll invite you to my room. Hey, love GH Mpacho. Mempe I'm a Simbia. Oh, so precious. Your eye is cute, pal. Let me shut up. You see my eye? Dozy and Gabani, Abuzege. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to go school. Ella Blue, I'm trying to go school in the meeting for my life, sir. Education first, you understand? Okay. I was watching something after work, then I saw you live. Love you all. Mwah. Love you too, for pen. Mwah. Facial expression, Uncle Beyou. Hey, everybody! Me doing me say me so much. I did what the Yemeno. What's it like? Ah, okay, Eddie, who get no? Me come tonight. Who get no? I'm happy. So see you are. I bet you I'll skin your life. What's that, Ruben? Say me so. Okay, this simple acting. You the way you want to try God did was boom. Yeah. Try God did trash and so no. And also air cost 24/7. But you also another share. Beyou did trash or Try God TV. Beyou the day you went on Try God TV did trash. Yeah. Munko has a video no so. Beyou on did trash. Try God TV. Munko has a video no. Come up Beyou. Be funny, nice one. One time play my Begumio, one time play my so just get the natural water. Yes, got me the trouble. Wosa, I can't idea who got another plantain chips. I can't idea, and I'll go to any other plantain chips. Would you like a Sansama? Who can say, who just get the natural water? Between element there. Between element there, and I'm a two. What's over Sansam anyway? Okay, fine. What's I didn't know? Cause as I'm not canon, now can we are that open your project. So we just get me the from Gakana. Yeah, much love, Namishamo. Yeah, may God fulfill all your heart desire. Amen. Beatrice Kabu, amen. You know what you say? Our last remarks to our first. Beyou, please can I can't love my stomach. Yeah. Yeah, cause I can't hold the ambassadors and baby. Hi, I'm James. How are you doing? Much love. I'm Shamupa. Thank you for joining. The Oba Live Nation so another or supporting so Beyou comedy so there's a super chat or super chat so with my donate any amount and the Beyou comedy team and they are supporting Crown. I'm Shamu. You're managing for kids and you're easy. Yeah, keep on with the good works. Thank you very much. Kwame Staga. Much love. Kwame Staga, see you. Okay, you better more, but before that, no. You go about 10 last hour na yem pon na yem ko why na you ko share story and na mo sham Saturday e wo Ashtown SD for so da no you twa about 10 music video obi amra why
Beyou comedy to the world see about to them ko me sama chi yo many mo ko me sorry baba no sama baba baby say no baby yeah but I'm funny but so no shaking when you musa nice waji koko nice waji koko nice waji Uncle Beyou yeah won't fuck with you don't be stop for Uncle Beyou yeah won't fuck with you
You have to finish Felicia. Hey, ma Felicia.
Baby say no, no baby yeah.
Nadia, how boy, musician. Okay, I'll do that. The translation, the translation will come very soon. We'll say translation very soon. Why? And English version, yes, I'll call English version very soon. Okay. Yeah, we now, most of us out of punish out of punish. Me boons on back. I just say, I to put to the word. Nadia is here. I to put to the word. I want to say, gravity as here. You don't get it, forget about it. Most people want to put me boons on back. I mean, Salam bought to find a then. I didn't know where, sir. And I want to say, for joining us. So, for my share, I'm going to do meeting Mubudin. I mean, Shamo. First of all, now my fans are saying, I'm joining Beyou Comedy Live. First of all, to those who commented. First of all, to those who shared. First of all, I'm more like video, no, more like it live, no, na me unshama. And to our supporters, I'm supporting your life. Slave Queens, na me show. Stella, na me show. Sister Gloria, na me show. Oheneba Nanaya, na me show. And na BB answer. I'm answer. Yes, I support you. Oh, 0551 771. I mean, shout. Take care of yourself. Take care too. I mean, shout. Big up to you guys. Beyou Comedy to the world. I love you guys. Keep supporting Beyou Comedy. Munya today. There are more videos coming. They are air banded also. So and watch out for the best creative team in Ghana right now. Watch out for more videos. Beyou Comedy to the world. Much love. Makramo. Go. Mango. Anano mango. Mango. Charity mango ana atupomato mango. Should I go or should I stay? And need you say there blanket. View to the world, to the viewers. Nanajama, I see you. No, don't go. Mango. Annabelle, Mensa, Mango. Amua, don't go. Beyou, don't go. Adriana, because Stagger, don't go. No, don't go. Hey! Mango. It's Mopede. Mopede last hour, I don't know. Can't you? Mopede. Yeah. I don't know what you. I live no almost 1 hour 20 minutes. And I was after no stay 5 minutes. Okay, menya day na mama. Can't you? Monka, menya day. Menya day answer na mako. Beyou, no, Beyou. Hey, mo dada, Beyou. Beyou. You want Atopa? With the bag, don't go. We want Atopa. Oh, Atopa last hour. Oh, Atopa. Atopoma could be a 5 cities. But yeah, Atopoma could be a 5 cities. Okay, let's go. Get it for me, my love for you, love you bad. I like the way you talk to me. I like the way you run money. Baby, count down, yeah, baby. I don't pass. I don't pass. You don't need to have my attention. I want to know my attention. Baby, give me that. You don't need to have my attention. I want to know my attention. Baby, give me that. Baby, give me that. Baby, me go on to that world. Baby, give me that. Baby, me go on to that world. I like the way you shake body. I like the way you work body. I like the way you make my hair. Baby, give me that. I like the way you shake body. I like the way you work body. I like the way you make my hair. Baby, give me that. Okay, you show TV so I'm pa. You show YouTube. I'm watching a new video drop. You show YouTube. I'm watching a. Watch more old videos and I'm share my and drop a video. The views no. Yeah, per se cost kakra. I'm going video my latest video drop here was yesterday. I'm share my and I think I'm watching so very drop a new video. I'm in Shamu. Why now you come to TikTok live with your girls? TikTok live. I'm Saturday. But live, number Friday, me one live, number man. Arrange and come with your kid next time weekend when the time will permit. Okay, no problem. So TikTok live now. Yeah, but remember I'm watching now. I'll come alone. I'm watching on TikTok with my fans. Then I'm Saturday, you know. I come with my girls and my kids. Love you. Okay, Slave Queen series will continue very soon. Beyou comedy today. We are saying. We are moving higher.